What's up, guys? Back at it again. Sorry for the long wait. Just been working a lot of overtime lately. Also been waiting for the parts to come in for my built engine I have, and also my car was in the body shop for a whole month. Finally got that back, but it was a long story. I'm gonna make a whole different video of that about that. But this video is gonna be about. So right here we got is the IBUILD Racing Flex Fuel System Kit. Cobb doesn't make them anymore. I think the reason is because the EPA. I think that's the reason why they stopped making them, because the EPA. But saw this on Devin's YouTube channel, and I was like, I immediately have to buy this, all that stuff. Price range was about $500 something, all that stuff. But I had to pre-order it. The moment he dropped that video, and 2 days later, I tried to buy this part. It was already sold out. I had to pre-order it. Immediately hit Import Racing up, asking about if I pre-order this, how long will I have to wait. Luckily, they emailed me back immediately. Great service with them. They told me that they just got a fresh new shipment that's coming in. Might take about a week or two, they said, but took about, I think, 5 days. That's it. So let me just unbox this quick and show you guys what's inside. So this is what you get in the box. First, you get an IBUILD Racing sticker. This random thing, I don't even know what it is. The flex fuel sensor, the controller, the harnesses, aka the wire, and the hose, and these clamps. Same setup as the Cobb's, but I think the reason they discontinued it is because of the EPA. Instructions to scan it on your phone. The hose feels pretty good. The only thing I'm worried about is these right here. My phone can focus. Because on Devin's video, these did snap on him. This one and the other one also. What he did was, I think he cut these off and just put C-clamps on them. If it does snap, oh well, I can just do what he did and just put C-clamps on it. To be honest, for I think it was $530, $540, don't really know how much it was. To be honest, I just gotta check the receipt. Kind of worth it to run E85, whatever you guys want to run. So I hope you guys liked the video. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Hopefully it's still in stock. If not, just pre-order it, guys. And it's going to take about a week or two. It all depends on your location also, because I live in Pennsylvania, near Philadelphia, and this company is in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Don't really know what else to say. Next video is going to be about the APR head studs that I just got, or the car incident I had with the body shop. And also, I ordered TGV deletes about a month ago. Still waiting for them, all that stuff. I email the company once in a while asking if they got any new updates, all that crap. And the recent update they got was the company they get it from is finally making them. Apparently, they ran out completely, but hopefully I get mine faster. I forgot to tell you this. I am going to make a video of me installing this system in my car. Same thing with the APR head studs. Anything on the new engine I got. I know the fact there's multiple videos out there on YouTube already of this car and everyone building it. But in case no one can find it and someone hits my channel on my videos and they see me installing it, hopefully that helps them. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a great day.